Hello everyone. Today's recipe is simple, easy and full of flavor. Let's get started with 5 boiled potatoes 500 grams, 2 chopped onions 150 grams, 2 chopped green chilies, finely chopped 3 garlic cloves.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Take a pot and add 2 tablespoon oil, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon dried fenugreek leaves and 15 to 20 curry leaves. Stir fry for 15 to 20 seconds on low flame. Then add garlic, green chilies and onions. Saute them for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Then add 1 teaspoon Bottle Masala and half a teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix it well on low flame. Then add 2 tablespoons of water and cook the masalas for 3 minutes on a low flame. Now we'll add boiled potatoes and 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste. Now let's give it a good mix and mash the potatoes well. And our Aloo Sabzi is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!